Hi, hello, my viewers. I welcome you to this channel. Those who have already watched some of the videos, I thank you for watching. I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for sharing and liking my videos. In this video, I'm just going to show a video of the next video. Okay, how the next video is going to be like. So, if you want to get notification or to get alert of the next video, all what you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, you like and you share. That is all. Do these three things for me, and I'll be forever grateful to you. Become part of the family so that when I put any video there, you'll be able to also get alert, and then instantly you watch the video to your benefit. So in the next video, I'm going to upload. I'm going to teach you how to design a PowerPoint presentation like a booklet form or in a form of ad, customized, so that you'll be able to attract more customers to your shop, you'll be able to attract more customers to your business, to your product. Okay, so just subscribe and like and share the video. Now let me take you to the actual thing that you're going to talk about. Let me take you through. These are all animations that you can do. Is just some simple things that you have to do with PowerPoint. It's not difficult. All you have to do is subscribe and share, become part of the family, so that when I upload a video, you also get access to it, and then you can also learn from it. Now let's move. So you can create something like this for your products, advertisement and all that. So you click and it will appear. You view what is there. You can exit it. You can view it. You can exit it. You can view it. You can exit it. Now, what is this project about? What is this project about? So let me click and see what is there. Okay, so like details of your product, you can put your product here where we have the what is this project about. You can put your product there, then you click view, and whoever click on that button will get the details of the product will just appear based on how you want to do it. You can also request for this template, this particular template, and I'll deliver to you free of charge. No money, nothing will be paid. I will deliver to you so that you customize it to suit your own ad. Okay, you click, and then what is there? Subscribe, like, and share. That's all what I need from you. Okay, that's what I need from you. Now you can customize it different colors to suit your product. Okay, different colors just to suit your product. Click, then whatever you want to put there, whether title, heading, products in, whatever you put there, you view what is there, then you can also exit. It's the same thing. Exit, you click what is there. Wow, you click to subscribe, you click what is there, then you click to subscribe. This is just something easy that anybody can do, very simple to do, and very understanding. All what you need to do is to subscribe and share. Get laptop, get any computer that has PowerPoint presentation on it, and you can be able to do this. So in my next video, that's exactly what I'm going to put there. If you have any questions, you put it in the comment area. Just comment, put your comments there, and I will make time to answer all your questions. I will make time to give solutions to all your problems if it is PowerPoint. So no problems. Just subscribe, just share, and just like, and you're going to like it. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you for watching this video. I know you're going to like, subscribe, and going to share this video across board for your friends to benefit, to also get notification when I upload any new video. Abuja na make say my next video and better hold on maybe yeah presentation amount. So the by yeah one cast will bit me design be to say and be bit me their sell product. When they advertise your product on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram, on YouTube. Okay, so when him here, my show is they be very easy. A cocoa cry, will be to be a bit in the other is a subscribe to this channel, or like this channel, and share this channel to your friends. Okay, Say the bear me the video need to hold on one so bit me in your video be notification be message say the video na up to hold no share we try a systematic a step by step as you watch no now so we computer so we share video na we now we share video kakra become a pro, okay, become a pro bit me I a lot of things more than what I've done, okay, and subscribe, like and share na kama what I say kama so same thing with me you see different colors, different anything you want to do, you can customize anything based on your product, your preference and your customers, okay. So with me actual product in the what I say between actual product in the then view what is inside. You can also exit this button, you view, then you click here, and then this detail will pop up. This will be able to pop it up. Subscribe, like and share, it will pop it up. What I see, then when I click here, what is this project about? What I click here, name of product details. No, what I see. So you have to say no, your product no, into product maybe functions of the product. What I say, and to click as well. Then it will bring out the functions of the product, advantages of the product, why you need that product, benefit of the product will just pop up. This template in Hopa made it more free. What I say, just request it will more now I can customize now the one my then I should show now that tone one day that try to come with me and tone once when you can be what I say, it will subscribe it, not like it, not share, and one person will you see video trending, say yeah. Will be everything benefited from video. That's it. That's about say what share video, say what subscribe, say what like me, say what share. Let us be bushing. If you say bushing, you be brave. Say the bear. Say me be a tour of money. Very brave. Never near fast so I did. If you made them in pimp, say me go me. Be so be it me fast so. Be turn on no one there. Be so near fast so. Be here say me am more be and what you fast so. Comment it. What I say. Won't you be as a comment it. Na me am. Bye bye. Bye bye.